In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create different layers and how you can assign different line weights and different line types. So you see here there is the whole area which is related to layers, and basically what I want to do here is I would like to create all these visible lines of 2.6 millimeters, and all these center lines I would like them to be 0.3 millimeters, and then I can show you these dimension lines which also should be 0.3 millimeters. So basically what you can do, you can assign different layers with different colors, different line weights, and different line types. So I will create here, you see like here it's layer properties. You click here with a left click, and then here you with this star you can create a new layer, and we can make one visible lines, and then here you can change the color, use maybe red. You know, you can adjust this, making it a little bit bigger. Line type is continuous, that's how it should be, and the line weight, if we click here on default, left click once, and we can change that to 0.6. And that layer is available to be printed. If you click here, you won't be able to print that layer. Or here you can freeze the layer and show or nor show the layer. And I'll create another one for the center lines. And it's nice if you use different colors, so I'll use yellow. And the line weight should be 0.3. And then the line type should be of center line type. So I'll click on continuous, and here you only have uploaded continuous and the phantom line, but we need another one, center line. So I'll go here to load, and I'll click here and go to center and select this kind of type. Okay. And then you should select center and say okay. So if you see the center here, you're good to go. And also I can create another line for dimensions. Maybe it can be green. And again, it should be 0.3, and it should be continuous type. So now I have 3 layers, and they have different colors. Visible, center lines, dimensions. And I will close this. And they will be somewhere here. You see here. So what I will do now, I can select center lines and add it here, center lines. And that should be yellow when I move this. So selection, click here, hit, and you see it's now there. So again, click here, move it to the center, another one, center line. Or if you have many, like right now I have lots of visible lines, I can select them all and make them all visible, and then it will be easier for me. Let me see if I made them. Now it's saying that something is locked. So you see this is center line, and then everything else is visible. So if I would like to create another dimension, I might choose here dimensions, and then everything that I will create right now will go to that layer. So if I go here and turn on maybe all these snaps, just to do that faster, so maybe from here, maybe from, oh, it would select too many things. So clear and select the quadrant maybe, and then say from here to there, this is 50. So maybe I can select the endpoint as well, and the center, and then I can show you some other dimensions as well from here to there. So you see, like if I have that layer selected, now whatever I select, it will be on that layer. And I will not create all of these dimensions. I just want to show you them so we have some of them. And if I want to use these other ones, if you want to dimension diameter, you can select this one and then dimension diameter. Or if you would like to dimension radius, you can dimension radius as well. Or if you would like to dimension the chamfer for these other ones, you can use the leader for these. But I will show you that in another lecture. So now we have some dimensions, and we have the visible lines, and we have the center lines. But you see the center lines, they're not the right scale. You see here, it looks a little bit bigger. So what you can do, you can select them by clicking here. You can select one by one, maybe. So if you select and then go to properties and try to change this line type scale, which is 1 right now. Try to make it bigger, maybe 5. Or maybe if we go here to center lines, you see now it's locked and I cannot update it. So make sure you don't select this lock here. So now when I click here, I will be able to go to properties and then change this to 5 maybe 6, and then the other one, change that to some number, maybe 6 is good here as well. So you see now it's a little bit better. And now I would like to show you how you can print these. So you see the problem right now is it's all in color. So if I go here, publish, if I go to print, and if I choose maybe Adobe PDF, and if I choose the letter, center the plot, window, and select the whole thing, okay, select the location, the problem is you see what I have right now is everything is in color, so I should use something else which is called monochrome to do the pen assignment, so I have everything black and white. So I'll go here to the A, print, and I'll go to page setup, and then here to modify, and then plot style table, pen assignments, I would change that to the monochrome, yes. And then all other settings should be the same. So I would choose some PDF option, paper size, letter, center the plot, fit to paper, and then window, and again select the whole thing, okay, close, and then again I'll go to file, print, plot, maybe it will ask me again something, okay, the window, yeah, I should select the window again, maybe, okay, and now you should see everything black and white. Moreover, you should see that the visible lines are a little bit thicker, 0.6, and that you have these other ones of 0.3. So thank you for watching this. This was tutorial for pen assignments and layers, and also in addition how to print.